Hello everyone, today we will learn how to make a square root spiral. Now to make a square root spiral, first of all we have to draw a number line or a line. We will draw it like this. So let's suppose this point is 0 and this we are taking 1 unit. Now on this we will first draw a perpendicular. So this we are making an angle of 90 degree like this. Now see, this we have taken 1 unit. So this 1 unit we will take the distance on this perpendicular also. So like this. So this is this 1 unit. So we will take it here. So this is 1 unit. Now this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. So this distance by Pythagoras theorem will become root 2 units. So we can write here this is square root of 2. Now here we will draw again on this, we will draw again a perpendicular like this on this line. So again we are drawing angle of 90 degree here. So we have to again take 1 unit which we can every time measure from here from 0 to 1, it is 1 unit. So like this. So when you will join this will be square root of 3. Now in the similar way we will construct square root of 4, 5 and so on. So here at this point a perpendicular, this is a perpendicular, and then after this 1 unit which we have to take from 0 to 1 unit, keep it here, and this is 1 unit. So this will be equal to square root of 4. This distance now is square root of 4. Now we will take this point. Now this is square root of 5. So in the similar way, if it is joined, it will be square root of 6. Now see, on square root of 2 we have drawn a perpendicular, taken 1 unit, we get square root of 3. Similarly square root of 4, 5, 6, and in the same way we can draw square root of 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let us draw it now. So you can see after square root of 5, this is square root of 6, 7, square root of 8, square root of 9 and square root of 10. In the similar way, we can also make square root of 11 and just see it is looking like a spiral. So this is known as square root spiral. We can also make it colorful by adding colors. Let us make it colorful now. So you can see I have added colors to it and it's looking very beautiful. In this way you can also use colors of your choice and make a beautiful square root spiral. And with this we have completed our square root spiral. Thank you so much.